Pay attention to this breakfast secret. I learned it from a friend in Italy. I'll start by adding 3 eggs to a bowl. Then I whisk them well and season with salt to taste. Next, I place 7 slices of sandwich bread in a large frying pan greased with butter. Tell me, what is the most popular breakfast recipe in your home? I'd love to know. Now I pour the beaten eggs over the bread. I fry it for 2 minutes. After that time, I flip it and let it fry for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I chop half an onion into small cubes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from, and comment below what you think of the recipe. I'm very happy that you're enjoying our recipes. We'll also need 1 chopped tomato. Guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now I finally chop some cilantro. Now we go back to the pan. On the bread, we're going to spread 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now let's add the onion, the tomato, and the chopped cilantro. We'll also add mozzarella, which you can use sliced, grated, or cut into thin strips. Finally, oregano to taste. Once it's ready, cover the pan and let it rest until the cheese melts completely. This breakfast is complete, nutritious, and very tasty, not to mention how easy it is to prepare. It's one of those recipes everyone enjoys. You can vary the ingredients, and it makes a complete breakfast for the whole family. Try it at home and then tell me about it. I'm sure it will become a tradition at your breakfast table.